Hello everyone, how are my tiny tots doing there? I hope you're having fun watching my videos. So, before starting our today's chapter, let me share you a thing. So, my question is, when do we celebrate a Teacher's Day? Do you know? Okay, tell me, who is a teacher? Do you know that? Who is a teacher? I am your teacher. Teacher is someone who teaches you. Like I teaches you, right? So I am your teacher. And it could be your parents also because they also teach you in your daily life. Okay. So my question was, when do we celebrate Teachers' Day? Do you know? No one knows that. So let me tell you. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of September. When do we celebrate it? We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of September every year. Okay? So let's back to the chapter. Today we will learn about curved lines from Hi Kids Feather Cap. So let's start our today's topic. Okay. Wow, what is this? It's a picture of a fish. Make a fish, everyone. And fish swims in the water like this. Okay. So that's a picture of a fish. And fish swims in the water. So, how to make a curved lines? Our today's topic is how to make a curved lines. So, what is this? Do you remember this? This is a clay. And today I have a orange color clay. Can you see this? Yes, it's a orange color clay. Now, I will make a curve with orange color clay. Do you know how to make a curve with this clay? We will roll it like this. Roll, roll, roll. And then it will get a little bigger like this. And then we will curve it like this. Now, what is this? It's a curve shape. This is a curve shape. You can make a curve shape with your hand also. Do you know? Come on, let's make a curve shape with the hands like this. And I think it's a snake like this. No, that's a curve shape. So, that's a curve like this. Okay. It's called curve. It's called curve shape. Okay. And can you see here? These are scales. Fish have a scales. In the body of fish, there are many scales. Now, these scales are in the curved forms. Okay. See, look here. These scales are in the curved forms. Now, what do we have to do? We have to join these dots and make a curve. Are you all ready? So, quickly grab a pencil and let's start with me. So, we have to join these dots and make scales on a fish body. Let's start. Go round, round and stop here. We don't have to go the whole round, okay? We have to stop here. Then again, go round and stop here. This is curved shape. Again, join the dots and make a curve like this, okay? One more time. Join the dots and make a curve. Good job. We have made a scale of a fish. These are called scales. Okay. Let's draw one more time. Like this. Then go one more time. Then one more time. And then come down. This is scales of a fish. And these are in curved shape. Okay. These scales are in curved shape. One more time. Very good. Keep on doing. One more time. Good job. And one more time. Yes. Good job. So, we have drawn curved lines. These are curved lines. Okay. Now, we have two more fish here. One is in light blue and the other is in dark blue. So, let's draw the scales of these fish also. Like this. Go down and join the dots. Good job. One more time. Join the dots like this. And last one. Done. So, we have drawn the scales of the dark blue fish and it's ready to swim in the water. Now, the last one. Okay, it's done now. Keep on doing. And the last one like this. So, we have completed our fish and we have drawn the curved lines. I hope you're getting how to draw curved lines. And what is this? It's an octopus. It's an octopus. How does an octopus swim? Like this. Okay. Octopus swims like this in a wavy shape. So, again we have to draw curved lines for octopus. Are you all ready? Let's draw. Now, what is this? It's an octopus. It's an octopus and it's in pink in color. And how does the octopus swim in the water? Like this, in a wavy form. Okay, like this. Now, we have to trace these dots for the octopus. So, let's start. We will start from here. First, we'll go up, come down, and then again we'll go up, come down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and up. Okay, so we have drawn curved lines for octopus also. Okay, so I hope you have got it that how to draw curved lines and you will learn gradually. Don't worry, keep on practicing. Okay class, that's it for today. We have learned today how to draw curved lines. Okay, and do your homework. Do not forget it. Keep practicing till then. Happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.